need to stay away from your phone. You need to stay away from social media and reconnect with your man. All right. Hi everyone, welcome back again. It's your girl Ifeoma, and if it's your first time, welcome and thank you so much for stopping by. Please do not forget to subscribe down below and also hit the like button if you enjoy watching this video. Alright guys, so today's video, you guys already know from the title. Okay, that was extra. So giving you guys 10 date nights ideas, and this is basically for the people that are stuck in the house just like myself. I'm in Canada right now and we are still in lockdown, guys. Like I'm tired. I am tired. Anyway, the first one is a charcuterie cheese board. You want to keep it simple but yet special and romantic. You can never go wrong with this because it's easy to make as well. So if you also don't want to be cooking for, like, you don't have to be making jollof, you don't have to be making all the whole soup in the world. I like my things quick and easy. Quick, simple. Like, you don't have to waste time in the kitchen. Why are you wasting time? It's Valentine's Day. Keep it simple, romantic, special. They're still going to love it, okay? So just create a charcuterie board for you and your partner, and you can literally just sit down and wine and dine with this. Honestly guys, there is something really special about feasting with your fingers and also with your partner in the same plate. It is so special. Like, I feel it's a great way for you to reconnect with your loved one, with your partner. So having a long week, best time to literally just sit down and have a nice, you know, date night with your partner at home. You don't have to go outside. You don't have to spend all the money. This is simple. Okay, so number 2 is a cottage trip. Guys, you can't go wrong with a cottage trip slash staycation. So I'm saying staycation because if you're going for a cottage trip, you don't really have to go outside. You can literally just stay home, stay indoors, or you can also do what is this thing called? What do you do when you go camping? The marshmallow thing. Okay guys, yeah, so you can literally just do that. So I went on a cottage trip with my friends a few months back and it was such a great time. It was such a great time to reconnect because I feel we haven't like I feel like it's so good to do that once in a while with your friends, because especially like we are so busy guys. We're stuck in the house as well now, and if you haven't seen your friends in a while, why not just book a trip to a cottage nearby and just sit down, relax, get a hot tub. Ooh, like literally that was all we did. We relaxed, had a great night or had a great weekend with each other, and also cooked together. So that is like perfect for you guys to just do with your partner. And yeah, and don't forget to take pictures because you have to be keeping those memories, like I tell you guys every time in this channel. All right, so the third one is cooking together. Just like I said, when you go on a trip, you can cook together. Guys, trust me, this, if you have a partner that does not like cooking, I pray I don't have a partner like that. But if you have a partner that does not like cooking, says drag him to the kitchen. You guys have to cook something special together. Try new recipes. It's not every time you'll be making rice and stew. It's not every time you're making jollof. It's not every time you're making what's this food? It's not every time pasta. Try something new. Try a new recipe. Search things online and do this with your partner. You're like, it's going to feel so different when you do it together. And also bake together. You guys can bake together and yeah, like bake something new, bake muffins, banana bread. But yeah, basically just, yeah, cook together, try something new. Even like you can also cook your favorite food together, or yeah, this is just like there's so many recipes online that you can try. There are lots of videos on YouTube you can try. So this is like a try and error kind of thing. One is paint and sip. Paint and sip is so much fun when you do it with people you love. I mean, why won't you do paint and sip with people you love? Imagine doing it with someone you don't like. But yeah, it's a great way to show your creative side to your partner. Some of you guys, your partner barely even knows if you're creative, you know how to, like, you know, Like, this is the best time for you guys to bring out your creativity. Like, so paint, you can do paint and sip stash, karaoke night. Oh my gosh, karaoke nights are always an interesting time because you get to really see who knows who got those vocals. You get to really know whose voice is terrible. Okay, so the next one is, that's the fifth one, it's games night. So you can't tell me you don't have games if you don't have board games at home. You can literally search up games online, the trivia games. Okay, I'm going to emphasize on the trivia games and also the get to know me games, because you're literally getting to know your partner even more. Truth or dare, you can also do a truth and a lie, stuff like that. Especially, I feel like truth and a lie is so good for when you're literally getting to know somebody, because you're literally getting to know them. That's like for partners that are still like, you're still getting to know each other. So the next one is bring the restaurant to your house. Not every time you're going to the restaurant. This is not every time you go to the restaurant, guys. Okay, get creative. All right, get creative. And just, if you want to go for a restaurant, if you've been wanting to go to a restaurant in Mexico, in Cuba, in what's another place? Like, if you want to have like a tropical night-ish, you can literally do that at your home. So just change everything, like get creative. That's all I'm saying, get creative. You can buy there's DIYs in dollar store. You can also create the food. So we're gonna go back now to cooking, so you can cook the food you want to eat in the restaurant and bring it to your house. Get your candles, have a candles night. Thank me later. So, which brings me to the next idea, which is a photo shoot. So while you were having while you're bringing the restaurant to your house, you can have literally create a studio at your place and just have a photo shoot with each other. You can also rent a photographer to have a photo shoot at your place, or you can also go to the studio depending if they're open. So having a photo shoot is also great, so you guys can take pictures together, or you can literally just bring them in your, after you've designed your house and made it a restaurant, you can take a picture there. And also, if you're planning on engaging your girl, this would actually be a great idea, just saying. So number 8 is, I don't really want to add this to my list because I know you should know, I don't have to tell you, watching a movie together. But I added this to my list because for those of you guys that have a long distance relationship and you want to watch a movie with your partner, you can do this still, okay? This can happen. You can literally do, I don't know if you guys, you can literally just have a Netflix party together. So just connect it on your laptop. I don't really know how to explain it to you guys, but you can search that up online. But like a Netflix party together would be great. Or if you're living together, just have a movie night and watch a new movie. Or also you can watch like throwbacks or romantic movies. You guys can just watch a movie together while you wine and dine. So, number 9 is having a spa together. But you can have a spa night together. Just bring the spa to your house and like just have a very relaxing moment and play a nice, very nice, easy music and inspirational music, and have a great night. Have a romantic night with your partner. Okay, this brings me to the last one. If you made it this far, I don't know why you should not be subscribed. So subscribe down. All right, so the last one, of course, I have to end this with digital detox. Okay, this is nothing exciting. You need to stay away from your phone. You need to stay away from social media and reconnect with your man. Alright, detox are really good because we spend so much time on our phone and you're getting this extra moment with your partner. Why not let go of the social media for 24 hours? Try it and see, and it's literally going to blow your mind. Okay, I really just had to save this for the last because this is something people would, because it's something you can do even while you're doing the rest of the ideas I gave you, or other activities, but I just had to really save this for the list because I couldn't think of any. But it's just a great way, like you just literally just have to try. Please stay away from your phone. You can be going on your first date and you're on your phone the whole time. I'm guilty of this because I spend so much time on my phone. That is why I'm telling you guys, do a digital detox. At least just try it for a day and see how it's really going to help you and how you're literally going to connect more with your partner. And yeah, but yeah, if you made it to the end of this video, I love you. Thank you so much for stopping by, guys, and I hope you guys have a great Valentine, and I'll see you in my next one. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share with your friend.